Hello, I am Tasma, Plus Figurines, and let's do, for today, a quickie review. It's not gonna be long, and it's not gonna be a figure, for once, for a change. So, without further ado, let's unpack it. Well, as you can see, these are cute piggies. They're very squishy. They're supposed to be de-stress toys. Very adorable. I ordered 2 of them. If anyone wants a link to it, just ask me. We're not sponsored by the shop, by the way. They took a while to arrive. As you can see, they do have some, might as well cut it off. But very cute pigs. Hope you find them as cute as I do, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.